how to recover your Telegram old account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. On this video, I'll be showing you how you can recover your old Telegram account. Now, if you have an old Telegram account and you want to recover it, so you need to follow this step. So basically, there's no such thing as recover your account. So after you open up your Telegram application or login, install the application and then open it up, you'll be directed to this page. First of all, select the country of your resident or the country's code. You'll need to type in the exact phone number that is associated or registered to your old account. After that, click on the arrow icon located right on top. Click on the yes button. Sometimes you might be asked to enter in the OTP that will be sent to an SMS or maybe on the Telegram itself. So click on the OK button and then click on the yes button. So that is basically how you can recover your Telegram account. If necessary, you can reset your password. Now, if you don't remember your password, Telegram may prompt you to reset it. Follow the instructions, reset your password and regain access to your account. So after that, if your old account was inactive for a while, you may need to sync your data, including your chat history, contact and media. Now, Telegram will guide you through this process, so you need to go through it all. And now, however, if your Telegram account was deleted or you might have uninstalled the app, you may not be able to recover your chat history and medias unless you had a previous backup of your data using Telegram's cloud storage features. In this way, you can recover your old Telegram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.